In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Meta AI in just 5 minutes. Getting started with Meta AI is incredibly simple, and I'll guide you through each step so that by the end, you'll be ready to harness its features efficiently. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open up your web browser on your computer. Any browser will work for this task, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or something else. The choice is entirely yours. Just make sure your internet connection is stable, since we'll be accessing a web-based service. Now, in your browser's address bar, type in www.meta.ai and hit enter. This URL will take you directly to the Meta AI homepage. Once the page loads, you'll notice a sleek and user-friendly interface designed to help you interact with Meta's AI tools effortlessly. To make the most of Meta AI, you'll need to log in. This platform allows for easy access using your existing Facebook or Instagram account details. Simply click on the login option and select your preferred account, whether it's Facebook or Instagram, and enter your credentials. This login process ensures that you can save and access your activity easily. After you've successfully logged in, you'll see a chat box prominently displayed. This is where you can type in your questions or prompts. Imagine you have a question or need a quick suggestion. Just type your request right there. For instance, you might ask Meta AI to help brainstorm ideas for a project, get a quick summary of a topic, or even indulge in a little lighthearted chat. Once your input is entered, the next move is simple. Just press the Enter key on your keyboard. In a matter of moments, Meta AI will process your request and deliver a response. This interaction is designed to be quick, informative, and engaging. But text responses aren't all Meta AI is capable of. If you're interested in generating visual content, all you need to do is type something imaginative in the chat box. For instance, you might write, "Imagine a beach at sunset." Meta AI will then utilize its sophisticated algorithms to generate an image based on your description, providing you with a delightful visual experience. After you've received your text responses or beautiful AI-generated images, you'll have options for what to do next. If you find the results useful, or if you'd like to keep them for future reference, you can simply save them directly to your device. Alternatively, if you wish to share these with friends, family, or colleagues, Meta AI gives you the convenience to do that seamlessly. And that's it. You're now ready to explore the vast capabilities of Meta AI. Whether you're seeking answers, creative inspiration, or just a new way to engage with technology, Meta AI is your gateway to innovation. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring.